Whoa, that was, ooh, that just reminded me of like old school Marcus Butler. Does anyone remember the wave of like British YouTubers and how he would always start his videos like that? Hello, I can't even do it with this accent. Okay, my eyes are watering. Great start to the day. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Saturday morning. I'm getting ready right now. In the process, I need to do my hair. It's a little frizzy right now. This is gonna be really fun. I think this is gonna be a fun weekend. I'm going to a ball tonight. Georgetown University has this diplomatic ball annually, and they have it in different like foreign policy kind of places, and this year it's at USIP, which is the US Institute of Peace, which I've vlogged there before because I have been there for a couple meetings with work, and it's so beautiful and I love the building, and honestly like I would love to work at USIP one day. And my friend who knows that I love it, who goes to Georgetown, was like, yo, we're having this ball there, do you want to come? We can bring guests. And I was like, yeah. I'm really excited. I got my dress back there. I'm gonna go to her place and get ready later. First, I'm getting ahead of myself. First, we're gonna stop my eye from watering, hopefully. Today is Saturday, March 30th, so it's the beginning of the Cherry Blossom Festival, which is so exciting. I freaking love the cherry blossoms. It's one of my favorite parts of DC, actually. Last year, I was looking forward to them for so long, and they kept getting delayed because of the weather. And I think peak bloom is supposed to be this coming week. There's an event on the National Mall that's like a kite flying contest and festival and all that. But me and my friend who was a Theta also, our symbol was the kite. We're gonna go walk around the National Mall and then get lunch, and I think I want to try and pop in a couple shops in downtown. Okay, I need to put on clothes and deodorant. Oh, I want to try a little new scent today, I think. Guys, look, I have this whole flock of new scents to try from Scentbird. Look how cute. I'm obsessed with this rose gold. It's just fun to like try. It's kind of like when you go to the store and like try new perfumes for fun, but you know you're not going to spend $150 on a giant bottle that you won't even use up. But Scentbird like brings them to you and you get to pick them for an actually good price. Ooh, this one smells good. Moschino Pink Fresh Couture. That kind of seems like my vibe for tonight. Philosophy Amazing Grace. Oh, no wonder. Oh, a classic. Basically, if you don't know, Scentbird is a monthly subscription service of different perfumes to try. They have colognes for men too. They have like over 600 brands on there, so it can be a little overwhelming in the best way because you're like, oh my god, there's too many options to choose from. Which one should I take? That's why I got 6. They have fragrances, cosmetics, skincare. They let you try a new designer fragrance every month for just $15. First of all, it's freaking adorable, and it's great for traveling. Like, this is gonna be clutch for Coachella and traveling for spring and everything. Comes in this little vial, and all you do is just twist it up, and it has the sprayer here. And then you can pull it out to like see what it is. So this is Aquilina Pink Sugar Sensual. Smells sensual. And you get a 30-day supply in one of these. You're not just getting like 2 little squirts from a sample size. Like, this is actually a good amount to know if a scent is for you or not. And you can upgrade to get 2 to 3 products in a month, which is even better because then you have more options. This one's Kate Spade Walk on Air. This smells like home to me, like the beach and camp kind of, in a good way. Whoa, that was weird. I was not expecting that. Scents are so powerful in your memory, and they have so many like designers and so many varieties. You could just go on a name brand like, oh, Tom Ford, hell yeah. Or you could do like more indie brands like that Glossier. Juliet Has a Gun, Lady Vengeance. Oh, that sounds like my vibe for tonight. This one's like, oh, that's a power perfume. I'm gonna go for Pink Sugar Sensual for the day. They just launched something brand new, which is really exciting. It's their skincare category. So look at what I got. I got the Patchology Breakout Box. My skin's pretty good when it comes to acne, but I did just get a breakout randomly on my chin, just like one, and I'm like, what are you doing here? So this will be nice for that, honestly. If you guys want to try it for yourself, you can get 30% off your first month. We love a discount. Use my code KVE30 and you can get 30% off your first month, which is $10. You can get perfume just $10. Let me know if you get any of the ones that I got or which ones you're trying, and use my code KVE30. Get that $10 month. Okay, I think I underestimated just how insanely touristy this would be. The metro station was a disaster, but whew, it is crowded. Okay, so now I'm going to find Marissa. Oh, there she is. There's cute little kites. It's kind of cloudy, so I thought that it wouldn't be like so crowded. It doesn't look so bad when it's all spread out, but down there it was rough. There's the monument, and there's a bunch of little kites, and there's a Marissa. That metro was terrifying.
Stand right, walk left.
They'll never get it. It took me a while to get that, okay? I'm expecting more. Maybe it's just all down there, all concentrated down there. Oh, that's so fun though. I forget how small kites look in the sky. They're supposed to open it up again so you can go to the top this year. I don't know when, but I just remember when I first moved here, I wanted to go to the top, obviously, because it's like the best view. And it was like opening in 2019 because it was under construction. So it's 2019 now, so we need to check the status of that.
It's like perfect kite flying weather.
Oh, I know, it's so nice out.
65, slightly breezy.
It's kind of warm too, like you're wearing a t-shirt. I'm not wearing a jacket. I'm wearing a little sweater. It's a little humid, but you know, not bad. It's not like DC humid. Okay, yeah. But for this temperature, it is.
Fair.
Like this temperature in Oregon would be cold, I think. We'll see if we find some really cool, intricate kites. This reminds me of my childhood because they'd have kite flying on the beach.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I like laughed and then I was like, wait, I didn't eat anything.
We'll get a bomb lunch. I don't know where. Oh my god. Did you see that? The dog just tried to stop and pee and the guy just kept walking. My heart is so full. I don't know why. All of these like random ass people just gathering together to fly kites on the National Mall. Like this is so pure. And all the kids with bubbles. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I see a butterfly. Oh, I see a frozen kite. God bless that kid. Or adult, honestly. Oh, with the tree. Ah, cries. I see Minion. This is so fun. I'm living for this. In the tree. Look at this view. Wow. Would you just look at it?
DC? Oh my god, do we have to kite?
That's with the monument? Not really.
There.
It's so pretty. Made it out of the craziness of the kite festival, which was very cute. But we came to La Pain? Is it La Pain? Who the hell knows? And I got a little egg skillet. So it's eggs with bacon, avocado, and onion. And it's yummy, and we're waiting for Marissa's food. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so good.
Oh my god.
Wait, what is that? The chicken mozzarella thing without the mozzarella.
Avocado and like tomato.
Oh, it smells so good. Wow, damn. Would you just look at it? I'm in a random bathroom at a random hotel because I just wanted to use the bathroom. But I went to a couple stores. I got a few things at H&M. I got a little gold belt, which I think will be really cute with my Princess Polly white shorts and outfit I have in mind. And just a couple accessories. I just thought this was good lighting, so I was like, hi. Here's my snakeskin bag that I wore from Just Fab. But yeah, Marissa went home, but I'm gonna go to Forever 21. Hello, we have returned home. And by we, I mean me. Yeah, I went to Forever 21. I got a couple things, so I thought I'd show you real quick. I already put my PJ shirt back on because I wanted to be comfy. 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours until I'm going to Ava's. So I need to edit tomorrow's vlog in the meantime. I'll rehydrate myself because, I don't know, I was like, I'm like parched. The use of the word parched is necessary. I got this skinny soft gold belt because if you saw my Princess Polly haul, go watch it. And I think this might work for the outfit I have in mind, but I got a couple belts at Forever 21 just to see. Got a bunch of little simple gold rings because I like the look of stacked rings, like very simple ones. Just got like plastic hair clips because I was fighting myself this morning, like wishing I had a hair clip to clip back my hair and section it off when I'm doing it. So there we go. From Forever 21, a little bit thicker than the other one. And then I also got a white belt with a gold clasp. Thought this was cute, the little double ring. So yeah, kind of an impulse buy. I'm setting you up. Like lightweight things like this that I can just throw on during the daytime in like Palm Springs or going to California or Vegas. This little, is this a racerback? I think it is. Cropped red and white striped tank top. 2 for $12, I think, with this. And then I also got these little shorts, which I thought would be good for lounging. I saw this and I was like, I really like this color for some reason. I feel like I don't see it that often. I think I have this particular crop sweatshirt in white, but it's a small, so I like the large. I like baggier. I just really like this color for some reason, this like peacock. I just see myself wearing this on an airplane for some reason. So maybe I will, I don't know. I need to put this down, I need to edit. Right, everyone, it's a couple hours later. I finished my vlog and it's uploading for tomorrow, which this is history by the time you're watching this. Yeah, it took a little longer than I wanted, so I'm like rushing, but I had a piece of avocado toast for dinner. I wasn't really hungry, but I knew that we're not gonna have like a full dinner later, so just wearing random ass clothes to go to Ava's place. I'm like already wearing makeup but I'm gonna do darker eyeshadow and like work on my eyes, and then do, I think, like a super dark red lip for this dress. Okay, we've made it. I finally made it. I was in traffic for like 30 minutes. Also, I didn't even tell you this. I was talking to my Uber driver, and I don't know, I think he was playing music, and I was like, where is this from? And blah, blah, blah. And he was like, we were talking, and he's from Cameroon, and I was like, oh, I'm doing some research on Cameroon, like at work right now. Like, and so he went off and he told me all about their conflict and like the diaspora here, and I was like, thank you, like this is very useful information to me. So yeah, he was great. Anyway, but I made it to Ava's apartment.
Hello.
What's up? Have you been in my vlog before?
I feel like once,
maybe like briefly.
Like, yeah.
But yeah, we're going to the diplomatic ball.
We're not diplomats. To some diplomats.
Wait, let's actually try. Let's try and get 3 each. I'm trying to do the lipstick thing. I don't know if it worked. I'm not really feeling it. Also, I'm trying the sticky bra thing that's also not working. Just a shot of my boobs. Yeah, it's a struggle. She's wearing a long black dress. It's so cute. Where's it from?
It's from Nordstrom.
Oh, you can't go wrong with Nordstrom. They
really
never
can't.
disappoint.
You really can't.
Her appointment is totally like taking me back to college. If anyone remembers my sophomore year apartment.
Going to Georgetown.
Yeah, we're at Georgetown. This dress is from Shein. It's like this long,
it's so
red
cute.
velvet one, and then I'm wearing little heels from, I think, TJ Maxx or something like that. I don't know.
We love TJ Maxx.
We do. You got shoes. I'm really hoping that it stays. Yay, we're gonna head over to the ball and be fancy. Pinkies up.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can pick either lane.
Yay! We made it in USIP, and look how cute this whole event is. They have this whole like dance floor down there. They got some freaking refreshments. Everyone looks so nice. My heart is so warm. And then of course you can see the Lincoln Memorial over there. We're thriving. We're just taking in the scene, really. We're gonna get a drink.
Guys, I'm leaving the Georgetown dorms right now. This is so funny. I'm like in my ball gown and Birkenstocks, and there's like parties going on the rooftops because it's so nice out, and apparently the frats are allowed to like throw on-campus parties here. I really don't understand. Yeah, it's been fun to be a Georgetown student for a night. I'm going to get my lift right now. I'm going home. I got my stuff. Didn't lose any shoes or turn into a pumpkin. So I'm gonna get my Uber and go home, drink some water and sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. I've just been chilling out. It's like noon now. I'm wearing my new sweater from Forever 21 and I'm really obsessed with it. It's so soft. Might be my new like spring color, even though it's a little dark. I only had a few drinks, but I do have a little bit of a headache today, so I'm just drinking my water. I don't know, I just feel like I'm constantly go, go, go. So I'm taking this morning to just relax. I might go to a Barry's boot camp class with Zoe at 2:30. It's like noon now. I didn't work out yesterday, but I don't know, I kind of feel a little sore still from my last couple workouts. And my headache feels a little better, so I think I might go to Barry's. And it's weird because I like don't have a ton of pressing things to do. Like I already sent in my draft for my capstone. I guess I could do more research on that. Like, what do I need to be doing? I'm sure there's 20,000 things I need to be doing that I'm just ignoring. I'm trying to decide what picture I want to post from the ball. There's definitely gonna be a picture by the time this vlog is up, so you should definitely go look at it and give me a like. Throw me a like if you pity me. I'm gonna put down the camera now. Okay, it's a little windy and I got my pre-workout. I don't know if you can hear me, but I am approaching Barry's boot camp. I decided that I can do it. I can rally. Honestly, it turned out nice. It's supposed to be raining today, but I'm living for this. So let's get a workout in. Look how pretty this is. I randomly came to, this is called Freedom Park. I had no idea it existed. Callie House posted it on her Instagram story. She does YouTube videos too, and she's a soul cycle instructor. And she was like, I think it was a picture of some girl like with this in the background. And Callie was like, does anyone know where this is? And I asked her, I was like, whoa, that's so sick. Like, let me know if you find out. And she was like, oh, it's at Freedom Park. And so I looked it up and it was in Roslyn. And I'm like, bitch, I live in Roslyn. So I decided to come check it out while I was on my way home. And it's so pretty here. Like, Roslyn has really pretty reflective buildings. I love this like pink rose gold kind of one. And then this big dome thing. I'm not really sure what that's part of. This one It just looks so pretty when it's like clear out too with the sun shining. You can see the National Mall across, you can see the monument, the Lincoln Memorial. The clouds are gorgeous right now. And there's cherry blossoms and like, this is so cute. Great ending to a wonderful weekend. Maybe when it's like super sunny and I look like a human, then I'll come back and like take some pictures or something because it's so pretty. But I'm glad that I found out about this. I just stopped by at Kava and had some for dinner. It's like 6 now. I went to a coffee shop, did a bunch of editing. Then I don't really want to go all the way to Trader Joe's because I'm already in the Rosslands, so I think I'm gonna just do like a Safeway run. What the hell? Oh, the birds are chirping. Like, what is this magical place? But yeah, maybe people who work here like come eat lunch out here or something. Oh, I don't know if I can get out of here. Okay, I might be trapped. Wow, would you just look at it? On this note, I'm just gonna end my vlog here because I've really done enough talking. It's been such a fun weekend, so I'm glad you guys could come along with me, come to the ball. Also, Gina's class today at Barry's Bootcamp kicked my ass. I think it was the most calories I've burned and like the highest my heart rate has been in a single, maybe not a single workout ever, like within an hour. Ooh, the sun. Hello. But definitely have a Barry's class. It feels so nice in the sun. Okay, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already. And don't forget to get Scentbird 30% off your first month, KVE 30. Peace and blessings.
I only love my bed and my mom. Say, do you love me?